I haven't made a video recently as I have been unwell, but I've missed talking to you all. So here goes, excuse my croaky voice, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hello home bosses, I'm Nuria Corby from thehomeboss.com. Welcome to my channel, which is all about helping you to make money online from self-publishing. And if you have been here before, you know that I like to share book ideas and niches with you. In particular, I love to talk about educational niches, but there is another very lucrative niche for books that I haven't talked about much, and that is the puzzle book niche. In this video, I want to talk to you about cryptogram puzzles in particular. What are they? Cryptogram puzzles are like secret messages. Imagine someone wrote a sentence but changed all the letters into different ones. To solve the puzzle, you need to figure out what each letter stands for. If you want to create your own cryptogram puzzle books, it's like making your own secret messages for others to solve. You start with a sentence or phrase, then swap the letters around using a special pattern, and your job is to make the puzzle fun and just the right amount of tricky, so people enjoy figuring out your secret messages. And why do people enjoy them? Well, cryptogram puzzles captivate many because they blend mental challenge with the thrill of solving a mystery. These puzzles engage our curiosity as we decode hidden messages, making us feel like detectives. They are not only fun, but also educational, enhancing our language skills and pattern recognition. There's a real sense of achievement when we crack the code, which is deeply satisfying. Plus, solving cryptograms can be a relaxing escape from daily stress, offering a peaceful focus. For some, it's a solitary retreat, while for others, it's a chance to connect and solve puzzles together. In essence, cryptograms offer a unique mix of entertainment, brain exercise, and a chance for a little quiet or shared joy in our busy lives. So you can see why they're so popular. Let's have a quick look on Amazon and see what kind of cryptogram puzzle books there are out there. So I've typed cryptogram puzzle books into Amazon, and as you can see, there are quite a few books already. And what I find really interesting is that they all have different niches. So here's a cryptogram puzzle book for adults. There's a large print one. There's the world's largest cryptogram puzzle book. There's a Christmas themed one. So this is a really good niche where you can find different types or different audiences for your books. So you can target different people like adults, children, people who need large print, people who are looking for something humorous or funny. As you can see, there are quite a few diverse ideas for these type of books, and I really like that the BSRs are quite low. So you can see there's one that's a little bit higher here, but here's one that has 32,000, 31,000, 57,000. They're books that don't sell a lot of books, but if you have a few of these books and they sell regularly, this can really create a good income stream for you. And some of them have got really low BSRs. So if you are able to tap into a niche and you create a book that stands out, you can really create a really good income for yourself. There's one here, Cryptogram for Adults, has a BSR of 12,453. But the one that I really like is this one here, the Ultimate True Crime Puzzle Book. This is perfect because they have combined the cryptogram puzzle book niche, which is all about creating cryptic messages that people want to solve, and the type of people that like to do these kind of puzzles. They are also the type of people that are into thrillers, into crime novels, into anything where you have to solve a crime or solve a puzzle. That kind of genre is something that this type of audience is interested in. And as you can see, this one, the Ultimate True Crime Puzzle Book, has a BSR of 110. So this is an amazing thing to aim for, and it has got the bestseller badge on Amazon. But you can see there are lots and lots of other niches, and I think this is a really good niche to get into same as the educational niche, because you can create a brand around it. And as you know, I always talk about branding your books because that is what really ultimately helps with your sales. So Cryptogram Puzzle books have a solid audience on Amazon, and their success hinges on several factors. First of all, they appeal to those who love word games and brain teasers, and the market is competitive, so standing out is key. If it's competitive, that means there's also demand, so that is a good thing. The success of these books often depends on the quality of your puzzles, an attractive design, and how well you market them. Positive reviews and smart pricing also play a crucial role in attracting buyers. And additionally, targeting specific niches like educational puzzles for kids or themed puzzles for adults can help tap into dedicated customer groups. So there's a huge market for Cryptogram Puzzle books on Amazon, but thriving in it requires a blend of quality content, strategic marketing, and a good understanding of your audience's preferences. However, creating cryptogram puzzles is not easy, as you can imagine. Well, the good news is that a new software has just launched from one of my favorite software creators. It's the Cryptogram Puzzles generator, and it's currently on sale. Some of you may have already purchased this during 2020 as part of the word puzzles generator, but the app has had an extensive overhaul, and the cryptogram part of that app has been given its own platform so that it's much more extensive and has many more features. So it's a standalone app now, as opposed to being part of the word puzzles generator. So if you already have the word puzzle generator, you will be given the front-end version of this cryptogram generator for free, and you can purchase any of the upgrades with additional features. You should already have been emailed by the vendor about this. And just to give you a quick overview of the price of this software, the front end is $47 now during the launch, and this will go up to $97. And then there's 3 upgrades. The first upgrade is $67 now, and after the launch it will go up to $97. The second upgrade is $97 right now, and it will go up to $147 after the launch, and the third upgrade is now $67 and will go up to $97 after the launch. The launch itself started on the 1st of December 2023 and will end on the 4th of December 2023 at 11:59 Eastern Time. That's just to give you a quick overview, but I'll leave you with a link to their sales page under this video, where you can find all of the information you need to see what this app can do. And it is an affiliate link, so as a bonus for anyone interested and who buys through my link, I have created a Cryptogram Puzzle Books Idea Starter Guide. The reason I have created that is to give you the tools to create best-selling cryptogram books. The app makes creating them easy, but you need to know the ins and outs to make your books stand out and sell. So what's inside the guide? Well, the guide is meticulously crafted to walk you through every step of the puzzle book creation process. I've really put a lot into this because I really want you to succeed. If you're investing in an app, then you really want to make sure that your books are high quality and that they generate an income for you. So among other things, the guide includes information on your audience. Learn how to make puzzles that everyone will love, from kids to adults. It has cool puzzle ideas. Get lots of fun themes for your puzzles, like mystery stories or adventures. There's a whole list of ideas. There's a chapter on making great titles and covers. Find out how to name your puzzle book and make a cover that looks super cool and that will sell your book. There are promotional strategies. I'll give you tips on how to tell people about your puzzle books and make them popular, how you can advertise, how you can promote, and most of those ways are free. And there's also free stuff to help you. So I've included free websites and tools that make creating puzzles super easy, and lots of resources that you can use to help you. There are title and subtitle ideas. There are ideas on niches. This will really help you make the kind of books that really sell. So that is my bonus. And even if you have been grandfathered into the app, if you've already got the word puzzle generator and you're getting the front end of this app for free, you can still get my bonus by using my link if you're buying any of the add-ons. And I will also include my printables mini course if you don't already have it, because you can also create and sell printable cryptogram puzzles on platforms like Etsy. And I really want you to succeed with this. I have been unwell in the last few days and I haven't been able to do much work. And what I found is that it was such a blessing to have a passive income from all the work that I have done before on my books. I can be unwell and still continue earning, and I want that for everyone that follows me too. So hopefully those two bonuses together with the actual Cryptogram Puzzle Generator app will be everything you need to create a puzzle book brand to give you an additional income stream, the same way that it has created one for myself. So I will leave the link below this video, as I said, and if you're interested in that, check out the app. It's amazing. I've been a beta tester for the app and I really think it's an amazing app to create these type of books. It has everything you need to create really quality books in this niche. And even if cryptograms are not your thing, check out other types of puzzle books, because this is, again, one of those opportunities where you can create a book brand around, in the same way that I talk about educational niches being such a great way to be able to brand your books. Puzzle books are very similar in that respect, and there are so many different types of puzzles that you can create. So even if you're not into cryptogram puzzles, you can check out other types of puzzles as well. So I got through this video without my voice breaking up too much. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye for now.